In this video, we will discuss the most important current affairs of 17th February. The first question is, in which state Tesla will set up its first manufacturing unit in India? The correct answer is Karnataka. Tesla will set up its manufacturing unit in Karnataka. Talking about Tesla, the CEO is Elon Musk. It is headquartered in Palo Alto, California, US. And talking about Karnataka, the capital is Bengaluru. The governor of Karnataka is Vajubhai Vala and the chief minister is B.S. Yediyurappa. Next question. Exim Bank will provide 400 million US dollar to which country to fund Greater Mail Connectivity Project? The correct answer is Maldives. It will provide 400 million US dollar to Maldives. Talking about Maldives, the capital is Mail, the currency is Maldivian rupiah, and the president is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. And talking about Exim Bank, the full form is Export-Import Bank of India. It is headquartered in Mumbai, and the CEO of Exim Bank is David Resquinha. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO and MD of Tata Motors? The correct answer is Mark Listosella. Mark Listosella is appointed as the new MD and CEO of Tata Motors. Now, if you look at the other options, these options are also important for you. Bikram Singh Bedi is the new Managing Director of Google Cloud India. Ajay Mathur is the new Managing Director of International Solar Council, and Henry Moniz is the first Chief Compliance Officer of Facebook. Next question. Which state police has launched Hamari Suraksha program for safety of women? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has launched this program. Talking about Uttar Pradesh, the capital is Lucknow, the governor is Anandiben Patel, and the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next question. Who is the author of the book Starstruck, Confessions of a TV Executive? The correct answer is Peter Mukherjee. Peter Mukherjee is the author of the book Starstruck, Confessions of a TV Executive. Next question. Which state has partnered with the UN Environment Programme to achieve climate resilience and low carbon development by 2040? The correct answer is Bihar. Bihar has partnered with UN Environment Programme. Talking about Bihar, the capital is Patna, the governor is Fagu Chauhan, and the chief minister is Nitish Kumar. And talking about United Nations Environment Programme, it is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya, and the head is Inger Anderson. Next question. Who became the new Prime Minister of Italy? The correct answer is Mario Draghi. Mario Draghi is the new Prime Minister of Italy. Talking about Italy, the capital is Rome and the currency is Euro. Next question. Which startup has been selected as the first member from India for the Circulars Accelerator Program 2021? The correct answer is Recycle. Recycle is an Indian startup which has been selected for the Circulars Accelerator Program 2021. And Recycle is India's first digital waste commerce company. Next question. Which state is hosting the 11th edition of Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav? The correct answer is West Bengal. West Bengal is hosting the 11th edition of Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav. And this event is inaugurated by Governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar. And it is inaugurated in Kuch Behar Palace at West Bengal. Talking about West Bengal, the capital is Kolkata, the governor is Jagdeep Dhankar, and the chief minister is Mamata Banerjee. Next question. Recently, which railway station inaugurated robotic spa for passenger under the non-fare revenue system? The correct answer is Visakhapatnam Railway Station. Visakhapatnam Railway Station has inaugurated this robotic spa for passengers. Next question. Which country conducted test flight of Babur cruise missile? The correct answer is Pakistan. Pakistan has conducted the test flight of Babur cruise missile. And talking about Pakistan, the capital is Islamabad, the president is Arif Alvi, and the prime minister of Pakistan is Imran Khan. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Maharaja Suheldev Memorial. This memorial will be set up in which state? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. This memorial will be set up in Uttar Pradesh. And talking about Uttar Pradesh, the capital is Lucknow, the governor is Anandiben Patel, and the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next question. At which location India's first National Dolphin Research Center will be set up? The correct answer is Patna. In Patna, India's first National Dolphin Research Center will be set up. And the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has laid the foundation stone for the center. And here are the answers to the question of the quiz of 16 February. The first question was, Sujan Singh Pathania dies at the age of 77. He was a veteran MLA of which political party? The correct answer is Indian National Congress. He was a MLA of Indian National Congress. And the second question was, which state will set up Dacoit Museum to showcase tales of Chambal bandits and policemen? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh will set up a Dacoit Museum. And now here are the questions for the quiz of 17 February. The first question is, which Indian origin announced a candidacy for the Secretary General of United Nations? And the second question is, which country celebrates the Pohila Falgun festival? Write your answer in the comment box and I will share the correct answer in the next video. If you found this video helpful, like and share, and also subscribe to our channel Exam Prep for daily current affair updates. Thank you.